I want to know what you guys would do in the audience. This man was upset that children were playing loudly at a playground.
Oh, you're kidding.
So he walked up and kicked the shit out of the kids. So a 70-year-old man has been accused of slamming a child to the ground at a Florida playground after yelling that the kids were making too much noise.
Does he say, or how old was this child?
It doesn't say. Largo police arrested the man on child abuse in Clearwater, took him to Pinellas County Jail. Officials say that several kids are having fun at the playground 6 p.m. Saturday night, which is normal.
6 p.m. They're not out at 9, 10 o'clock at night screaming and yelling.
Normal times. How crazy. So what would you do? Like, maybe that's your kid, right? You're sitting there watching. Your kids are out there playing, having fun.
It's going to end up bad.
And if there's ever a time that kids are allowed to scream and yell and make as much noise as they want, it's at a playground.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever told our kids when we go to the playground here, like, shh.
Yeah, because that's not the time and place.
Right, you're at the playground. What are you legally allowed to do, though, within the law?
Not much, man. Not much. You definitely can't have a gun used. So you're allowed to use force, not including deadly force, to defend a person against the unlawful use of force. So the unlawful use of force is this scumbag coming up and using physical violence against the kid.
Yeah.
So you're allowed to fist fight that guy and do whatever you got to do to keep your kid safe.
Talk about a high emotion moment.
Bro.
That is one of those. That's a what would you do if. You need to have that in your your scenarios.
The book is already done. I'm not
the next
rewriting
book.
it.
The
Okay,
next
the
book.
next one.
Yeah, like save it. Write it down in one of your
I will.
Google Docs.
I have a whole list.
Because this would be a very high emotion moment for a lot of people.